Okay, now we're in level 1. What I want to do is show you how to lay out a drawing sheet. So we'll go to Sheets, down here, right click, New Sheet, A0 metric, say OK. We're just taking their default sheet and default title block that we can fill in later. We're going to set our views in there, so we just simply click, drag, and then let go, and then you'll see it hangs on. We have to drag it into the frame and then let go of your button and then click. Okay, so level 1, I'm going to put in my 3D view. I'll just show you my 3D view. I've cropped it into a section by clicking the section box just so we can expose some of that. And I set a different scale. I set a custom scale to set it at 1 to 75 because adjusting the scale affects the size of the image on the title block on the page. So let's go back to our sheet and setting that 3D section at 1 to 75, it'll come in at a decent size. Okay, so I'll just place that. And this big wireframe box over here will not show in the actual plot. Let's put our sections in there. Section number 1. And again, these are all at 1 to 100 just to fit on the page. Section number 2. It's going to try and line up, so I just hover till they are associated. I made just an interior view, an interior kind of perspective view. You'll see there in a second. Okay, and then I did an exterior rendering that I'm also going to put on here. I'll just hover. There it lines up both ways. And there, so I've got a sheet layout now that's ready to print. I put a SIAS name here, and you can edit the author. Just click on that. Okay, and we can do whatever else you want to fill out on there, but that's at least that much. So now we're set to print that. So if we go up to the R down, we're going to print that drawing, and I'm going to just suggest to you that you print to PDF, to Adobe PDF. Yours might be a PC3 file. We'll check that out together in the lab, and we can preview that. It's telling us it's going to do raster for the image, and that's fine. And so I take a look at it, and you can see that it's clean layout. I'm happy with that, so I will just print that. Oops, I skipped. It's okay. So that'll print as a PDF. We select the file name. I already had it existing. And there's the PDF file right there. And now once you have the PDF file, you can send that to a printer and pick any size that you want. If you go to PelArt 4, we could set that to an 11 by 17. So go into Properties and set the paper size to 11 by 17. Say OK. And it's going to come onto an 11 by 17. And say OK to that.